Turn on the printer. Press the Setup Tool icon button. Select Wi-Fi setup and press OK. Choose Manual Connect and press OK. Wait for the printer to search for available networks. Use the arrow buttons to select your wireless network's SSID, network name, from the list and press OK. Enter your Wi-Fi password, network key, using the printer's panel. Use the Setup button to change character types, uppercase, lowercase numbers, symbols, and the arrow buttons to select the characters. Press OK after each character, and hold the OK button for at least 2 seconds after entering the full password. Once Connected appears on the screen, the connection is complete. Press OK to finish. Download the app. Install the Canon Print app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Ensure that your mobile phone iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open and connect. Open the app and follow any initial prompts to agree to terms and allow location access. Tap the Add Printer or Register Printer icon. If prompted, choose Auto Connection or if printer cannot be found. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete the setup process. Once the driver installation is complete, you should be able to connect and print wirelessly from your mobile phone iPhone to the Canon PIXMA G3020 G3020 series printer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.